This is the poster for our Python project. The problem our program is trying to solve is people going to cities and visiting them and not knowing the weather conditions for those cities. We decided to name our app Travel to Temp. So the user inputs the city they want to travel to. The API we used was the Open Weather Map, which accesses current weather conditions for over 200,000 cities, and our program outputs the weather conditions for the chosen city. To demo our code, you simply enter the city that you want to visit. So let's say Syracuse, as that's where our campus is. You can see that when you enter that, it goes to Expedia, so the user can find hotels for the area. And then, as you can see, it says the city you entered has a 25-degree Fahrenheit. It seems there's clouds over there. And then the new browser opens. So let's try it again for a different city. If we wanted to say New York City, it's going to tell you it's not a valid city, and this is because we have exceptions. So if the user spells something wrong or enters a city that doesn't exist, it's going to tell them that. So let's say and this is my hometown, Silver Creek, New York. So it says that's 26 degrees Fahrenheit. There's snow over there, which there is, and then as you can see, it takes you to an Expedia page to find hotels. So within our program, you can see our input. It asks you to what city you want to travel to, and then we have it connecting to the API. Then we have our print statements, which prints out the information we see down here, where it gives the description of the area and the actual temperature. And then at the bottom, we have our exceptions, as we noted before, for the not a valid city. And then if it cannot connect to the URL, you're also going to get an exception for that. And that is a demo of our project.